It's time to swing into spring with the annual Spring Coffee Beverage Bar Collaboration of 2021. Now, a beautiful coffee beverage bar always sparks the eye when you're preparing your favorite beverage. Now, this collaboration is hosted by Kenya's Decor Corner and a blessed home with Kimberly Davis. I'm Leona Dooley, and this is Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme, where cooking, decorating, and fun chit chat are the things I do in the kitchen of Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme for the kitchen. Today's collab is hosted by Kenya's Decor Corner and A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. These ladies host this seasonal event, always with you in mind. I have listed the playlist below so you can all enjoy the beautiful creations. And I've also listed the links to both Kenya and Kimberly's channel so that you can give them some love. If you are not familiar with the Beverage and Coffee Bar Collab, then you're going to want to be right here. So I'm showing you some more recent bars that I've done. I'm beginning with my winter coffee beverage bar and then the Valentine coffee beverage bar. Just imagine walking up to these bars, getting ready for your beverage. Now let's get into spring. Are you feeling that need to have a cup of coffee? And certainly we want to have a cup of coffee right here at this little spring coffee bar. And actually it's a coffee beverage bar because I can prepare tea as well as coffee. I don't know if you remember those napkins, but if you go back and you watch my one plan, 1 month, one shop March, you'll see those. They came from Kroger. And those little napkins are perfect for our decor. Now I know while you might think, it's a little early for Easter, but you know what? Our weather is warming up and we want an Easter feel. So I have a little bunny who's hiding down on that lower shelf. And he's just gazing and watching and waiting for spring to come in officially. Now I'm going to be making coffee this morning using Nestle's Coffee Mate. And I'm using, of course, the Irish Spring since we're just right around the corner from St. Patrick's Day. Now, I'm not Irish, far from it, but I do love certain Irish flavors. So, let's take a moment. You'll see in my coffee bar that there are certain things that I always have. So I'm going to turn it around for just a moment. I have it on a Lazy Susan. Remember the straws? I bought the straws because they coordinated with the napkin. The pink, the blues, the greens. Perfect match. And look at the sign. Pink, blue, green. I was on that one just by chance. We have a few little eggs that are stuck in there, just kind of shining out. But one of the things that I always have is my cup that's here that holds my spoons. I have spoons for coffee. I even have spoons for tea. So I have those teaspoons as well as my coffee spoons. And they come in very handy. And sometimes when I'm cooking, I'll even grab one just to use for tasting. If you followed my channel for any time, you've seen these cups used in many different ways. The little flowers is called English Garden, and does it not shout spring? All the little buds just popping up. And when I saw these cups, those napkins, you can see them peeking out, and those straws, they're perfect. I also put on the coffee bar some disposable cups, just in case I need to have some coffee on the go. Now on the lower shelf, this is the real workspace. I have my sweeteners that I keep here regularly, as well as my creamer that I keep here all the time. So when we're out of liquid creamer, we can use our powdered creamer. And of course, our little bunny is there, keeping an eye on everything to make sure we do the right thing. Oops. Now, let me step back so you can take a look at the entire coffee beverage bar. Now let's prepare a cup of Java. I'm going to use our coffee mate creamer. I love these little cups because it's just the perfect amount for our cup of coffee. I like 2. There's 1. And they're so convenient. They don't have to be refrigerated. That's 1. And you'll see I'm fixing 2 actually. 1 for me and 1 for the big guy. So I need 2. All right, we have all of those, and let's get some coffee. Yummy. Let's get our spoon and stir. Thank you for joining me today in the kitchen. This collaboration is always enjoyable. We have chatted and accomplished so much. If you like cooking, decorating, and sharing, and have not joined the Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme family, please do so today by selecting the subscribe button and tapping the bell icon so that you will be notified when I upload. Also, please support this channel by giving me a thumbs up before you leave. I am looking forward to seeing you right here at Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme, where we work hard. We love God and family, and we know without a doubt that everything else is just gravy. Have a wonderful and blessed day.